In the last 6 years, what are known as victory gardens have been popping up around Hamilton. The gardens present a unique opportunity for Hamiltonians to come out and give back, as the produce harvested will be donated to food banks around the city. At the Philpott Memorial Church Garden, Urban Ministry Director Jeff Beattie said that the majority of his volunteers are international students from around the world. Whether you come out for the gardening or the company, Hamilton Victory Gardens would be happy to have you.
About 2008, Bill and Judy Wilcox were up on the mountain, and they thought a community garden would be really fun. And I think it was at that time just for the people. It was at a church actually, and they thought, well, maybe we have so much extra food. Why don't we take it to a food bank? And then they saw that the fresh vegetables and stuff were lacking in the food banks, mostly tin food. So someone said, hey, well, why don't you just expand the garden? They did, and then other people said, well, we've got basically unused lots of land. Why don't we repurpose it? And so actually the Cancord lot is famous because it used to be a hangout for prostitutes and drug dealers. So it's been revitalized. It's a huge garden, the biggest one of all 12 sites. And so what's this, 6 years later, this year I think 41,000 pounds of produce was delivered. Fresh produce. We don't use any sprays or what do you call those things again? Pesticides, yes, it's pesticide free. I mean, you can even eat those leaves, I think.
I think I can, if I work here, I can meet a lot of guys from other countries, and I think I can make some new friends, and I want to learn more about Canada because I've been here for 1 year. I don't want to just stay in the apartment do my assignment or do my project in the lab. I just want to get off my apartment.
Although the gardening season is done growing here at Philpott Memorial Church, it'll be sprouting up again next season so that the volunteers can continue producing produce. For Ignite News, I'm Elaine Morris.